Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So you join me today as we do just a little bit of bike maintenance, cleaning the chain set. We're going to go down to the petrol station and get a little bit of petrol, which is the cheapest way of cleaning the chain. You can buy the expensive solvents in the bike shops, but it costs like £7 or £8 for a litre. You can get a litre of petrol for about £1. Yeah, so it's best to take the chain off if you can, and get the solvent, the petrol, give it a good brush. Also, give all your teeth on your rings a good brush. Also the cassette as well. Very messy, but I'm going to apply some bike oil to the chain now, just only sparingly, and just wipe it off. But what happens is all the dirt gets clogged in the chain and it forms like a paste. It wears the chain and the teeth a lot quicker. Yeah, so there we go. A messy job, but an essential job. So cheers for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.